Good morning, students. Again, welcome to maths class. Today, we are going to do exercise 5.2 of chapter number 5. Before starting this exercise, we are going to do a formula. The nth term of an AP is given by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term means any number of term. Suppose I have to find 10th term of an AP, then n will be 10, a will be first term and d is common difference, where n is number of term and a is first term of AP. In short form, arithmetic progression is known as AP and D is common difference. In our previous exercise, we have already studied all these terms. Now we have to use this formula to do the questions of exercise 5.2. Always remember, we can easily find any term of an AP by using the formula. Suppose you are having first three terms of an AP. Suppose first three terms of an AP are 10, 7 and 4, and you are asked to find its 10th term. So directly by using this formula we can find the 10th term. 10th term means, suppose we have to find 10th term. अब 10 means n is 10, a is 10 and d is 7 minus 10, that is minus 3. So putting n is equal to 10, a 10 will be, a is 10 plus 10 minus 1 into d, and it will be 10 plus 9 into minus 3. Here you have to take care of signs, beta. This negative sign means it doesn't mean that 9 minus 3. It means 9 is multiplied by minus 3. 10 minus 27 and it will be minus 17. Or you can say direct formula for 10th term is a plus 9d. n minus 1 मीन जो भी नंबर आपको फाइंड करना है सब्ट्रैक्ट 1. सिमिलरली फॉर्मूला फॉर A13 विल बी a प्लस 12d. एक नंबर कम कर देना है. फॉर्मूला फॉर A50 दैट विल बी a प्लस 14d. Formula for A7 that will be a plus 60. You have to practice this topic a lot. Again, our main formula will be used for the question number 1 of exercise 5.2. See, here are four items or four different things. an 1, a is second and d is third and n is fourth. So in given table, in each part there is one item missing from these four and you have to find that. Here I am going to take part 1. In part 1, a is 7, d is 3, n is 8 and you have to find an. Again I have to use above formula. Using an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the given values. An we have to find and a is 7, n is 8 and d is 3. You can solve it. 7 plus 8 minus 1 7, 7 into 3 21. So therefore an is equal to 28. Similarly you can do part number 2. Part number 3 is also same. I am taking part number 3. In part 3, a is not given. You have to find a. And d is minus 3, n is 18 and an is -5. An means nth term is given. Again using an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is -5. A is not known and n is 18. D is -3. -5 is equal to a plus 17 into -3, that will be -51. -5 plus 51 is equal to a, and a is 46. So this is the answer of our question. Now part number 4. Again in part 4, using formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an is 3.6. A is minus 18.9 plus n is not given and d is 2.5. What we have to do to solve it? First of all, we have to shift minus 18.9 to our left hand side, and it will be 3.6 plus 18.9 n minus 1 into 2.5. No need to multiply 2.5 by n minus 1. Now add these two numbers and you will get 22.5. Now shifting 2.5 to our left hand side and we can cancel it, it will be 9. So therefore n is equal to 9 plus 1, that will be equal to 10. Hence value of n is 10. You have to try part number 5 yourself. Now question number 2. Choose the correct choice in following and justify. Justify means you have to find also, meaning आपको only correct option को choose नहीं करना है, but you have to solve the question also. Question number 2, part number 1. 30th term of the AP. AP is 10, 7, 4 and so on. And we have to find A30. A30 means A plus 29D. Now A30 will be A is 10. 29. See, D is minus 3 here. So A30 will be 10 minus 87. So therefore A30 is minus 77. And which option is this? This is option number C. Similarly, second part, you have to find 11th term. Minus 3, minus 1 by 2 and 2. Now A11 is A plus 10D. So A11 is equal to A is minus 3, 10, and we have to find D. And D is minus 1 by 2, minus 3 means plus 3. D will be 2 LCM. Minus 1 plus 6, it will be 5 by 2. And we can cancel it. So A11 is minus 5 plus 25. Therefore A11 is 22. Now which option is this? This is option B. Now come to question number 3. Question 3, first part. 226. These are the terms of an AP. And which term is missing here? See, this is A1, this is A2 and this is A3. Here A1 is 2 and A3 is 26. And we have to find A2. What we have to do for this? We have to write A is 2. And A3 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? A plus 2D is equal to 26. By putting the value of A, 2 plus 2D is equal to 26. 2D is equal to 24. So therefore D is 12. It means common difference for this AP is 12. And first term is given. We have to find the second term. So therefore A2 is first term plus common difference, that is 14. So A2 is 14. Now question number 3, second part. Here A2 and A4 are given, but first term and third term को आपको find करना है. तो A2 मीन्स A प्लस D दैट इज 13 एंड A4 मीन्स A प्लस 3D. फोर्थ टर्म के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? A प्लस 3D एंड दिस इज 3. नाउ वी आर हैविंग टू इक्वेशंस इन A एंड D एंड चैप्टर 3 में हमने इक्वेशंस इन लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स को सॉल्व करना सीखा है. तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट वी कैन सॉल्व दीज टू इक्वेशंस. फॉर दिस we are going to eliminate A. So we have to subtracting equation 1 and 2. जैसे ही आप इक्वेशन 1 and 2 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे you will get minus 2D is equal to 10 and D will be minus 5. Now I have common difference. Now putting this value in equation number 1. This gives you A is 18. Now we know first term and the common difference, so we can find any of the term of the given AP. Therefore now first term को हमने find कर लिया 18 and third term को find करना है. Third term is second term plus minus 5. Second term is 13 plus minus 5 and it will be 13 minus 5. Therefore A3 will be 8. Here I am taking part number 5 of question number 3. See, in above question missing terms are, first term is missing. first term को हम बेटा A1 भी बोलते हैं and A भी बोलते हैं. Second term is given, third term missing, fourth term missing, fifth term missing and sixth term is given. Always remember, if in an AP we know first term and common difference, then we can find any of the term of the given AP by using the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here two terms are given. A2 means A plus D. And A6 means A plus 5D. This is 38 and this is minus 22. I can solve these two equations. Minus 4D and this will become positive 60. So therefore you get D is equal to minus 15. Now putting the value of D in equation number 1. A plus minus 15 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 plus 15, that is equal to 53. Now I am having first term and the common difference, so I can write any of the term of this given AP. Similarly in part 4 you can try yourself. Now I have to write the third term of the AP and second term is 38. कॉमन डिफरेंस आपका minus 15 है, तो therefore A3 will be 38 plus minus 15 and it will be 38 minus 15, that will be 23, and A4 will be 23 plus minus 15, that will be 8. A5 will be 8 plus minus 15, that will be minus 7. Very important question. Do it carefully. Now, in question number 4, which term of AP is given to you, that is 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is 78. आपको पूछा है 78 जो है वो इस AP की कौन सी टर्म है. कौन सी means you have to find N. We know AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. And let AN is equal to 78. So therefore 78 is equal to, here A is 3, N minus 1 and D is 5. Because D is A2 minus A1. 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. Therefore, first of all we have to separate 3. 75 by 5 is equal to N minus 1. therefore n is equal to 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. So therefore 78 is 16th term of given AP. अब यही क्वेश्चन बेटा थोड़ी सी वर्डिंग चेंज होकर आ सकता है. इज 78 अ टर्म ऑफ गिवन एपी और नॉट. मीनिंग आपको चेक करना है कि 78 इज गिवन एपी की कोई टर्म है या नहीं. तो उसके लिए भी सेम सॉल्यूशन होगा, बट उसमें इफ़ n की वैल्यू जो है वो एक कंप्लीट नेचुरल नंबर की फॉर्म में आ रही है तो देन यस. अदरवाइज इफ n इज इन फ्रैक्शन और इन अ नेगेटिव नंबर देन आंसर विल बी नो. Next, question 5. Here I am taking part number 2 of question 5 and you have to try part number 1 yourself. Look at the question. It means in this question A is 18 and AN is minus 47. अब ये चेक नहीं करना है. It is different. पूरा AP लिखकर और एंड में लिखा है. It means फर्स्ट टर्म और nth टर्म आपको गिवन है. And you can find D. D will be, write it as improper fraction 31 by 2 minus 18. Take the LCM. D is minus 5 by 2. Again we know AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now put the given values. Here AN is minus 47, A is 18 and N is not known. And D is minus 5 by 2. Again first of all you have to separate 18 minus 47 minus 18 and minus 1 or 5 by 2 you can put this negative sign here and it is minus 65 minus n minus 1 and into 5 by 2. Negative negative cancel and we can find n minus 1 is equal to 65 into 2 by 5 13. So therefore n is equal to 26 plus 1 is equal to 27. Therefore how many terms are there? There are 27 terms in given AP.